Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get 20% discount promo code on NexLev. So as you can see there is only 10% discount promo code. So I'll show you how you can get 20% discount promo code. I'll give you the 20% promo code. So let's click on get bundle. After that this will redirect to checkout page, and then here you can see subtotal. So just click on add promotion code, and then now you need to enter the promotion code. The promotion code will be the web unrevealed. So this is the promotion code. After that click on apply, and there you go. So the promotion code applied, and you will get 20% discount code from here. So after that you need to enter your credit card details and then click on pay. And that's how you can get 20% discount promo code on NexLev. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.